The six-gill shark is a massive, prehistoric-looking species that inhabits the ocean's depths. Its six-gill slits, a rarity among modern sharks, are a hint at its ancient lineage. The slow-moving predator plays an important role in deep-sea ecosystems, feeding on a variety of fish and carrion. The blobfish is famous for its soft, gelatinous body, which appears quite different in its natural deep-sea environment. Living in deep, high-pressure waters, its body structure allows it to withstand crushing depths. Though unusual, the blobfish is well suited to a life that few other creatures could endure. The basket star, with its many branching arms, clings to rocks on the seafloor, stretching out to filter food from the surrounding water. Each arm branches into finer and finer tendrils, creating a complex net that captures plankton and small particles. Its intricate form makes it one of the ocean's most striking invertebrates. The spookfish has upward-facing, barrel-shaped eyes that allow it to spot prey from below. Its transparent body helps it blend into its surroundings, making it difficult for predators to detect. This combination of transparency and unique vision makes the spookfish a true marvel of the deep. The viperfish, with its long, needle-like teeth and bioluminescent spots, is a fierce predator in the deep sea. Using light to attract prey, it patiently waits in the darkness for its next meal. Its intimidating appearance and unique adaptations make it one of the most iconic fish of the deep ocean. The pinnacone fish's hard, armor-like scales and bioluminescent organs help it survive and navigate in the dark waters. With a glowing light near its mouth to attract small prey, this fish's natural adaptations showcase the incredible diversity of deep-sea life. The pelican eel is famous for its enormous, expandable mouth, which can swallow prey much larger than itself. Living in the deep ocean, where food is scarce, this strange eel has developed a massive gape, allowing it to capitalize on any meal it encounters. With its unusual appearance, the pelican eel is a unique marvel of the ocean depths.